The 7th edition of Probability Statistic, featuring Chapter 4, Discrete Probability Distribution, talks about the probability distribution itself, binomial distribution, and more discrete probability distributions. The scope of the topic, which is probability distribution, includes the process of distinguishing discrete random variables and continuous random variables, constructing a discrete probability distribution and its graph, determining if a distribution is a probability distribution, finding mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete probability distribution, and finding the expected value of a discrete probability distribution. Discrete random variable consists of a finite, countable number of possible outcomes that can be listed. Meanwhile, continuous random variable has an uncountable number of possible outcomes, represented by an interval on the number line. On the other hand, this too represents a numerical value associated with each outcome of a probability distribution, which is called random variable. On another topic involves constructing a discrete probability distribution. This concept implies that there is a need to make a frequency distribution for the possible outcomes, finding the sum of the frequencies and find the probability of each possible outcome by dividing its frequency by the sum of the frequencies. And lastly, checking that each probability is between 0 and 1. The topic regarding uncovering the mean comprised with the discrete probability distribution, in which each value of x is multiplied by its corresponding probability, and the products are added. After calculating the mean and subtracting the mean and square the result leads to the calculated variance. From working out the average of those differences with all of that, by taking the square root will result to its standard deviation. Lastly, to find the expected value of a discrete probability distribution, it is required to multiply each of the possible outcomes and then summing it all. Thank you.